Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video on the unboxing beard channel. Before I continue with this video, I'd just like to remind everyone, if you could please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you are updated of any future videos on my channel. Now I know what you're thinking, what am I doing with the hair straightener? And no, it's not for my beard. This hair straightener is my wife's, and I decided that I'd do an unboxing video for you guys out there so you can see what you get in this. Let's comment on the box. I must say I am impressed by the box. This is quite strong, and even on the design of the box there is quite a lot going on here, and I really like how they've got these different effects on here, especially on here. If you run your finger over it, you can feel the straightener as though it's coming out, and also this on the side you can feel this coming out as well. Okay, so now let's get on with the unboxing. So this is what you get in the box, and already without opening this I can see that the wire is quite thick, and this shows me straight away that this is a quality product. Now what we have here is Creation hairspray, 300 milliliters. I'm not sure if it's common that you get hairspray when you purchase a hair straightener, but with this one you do get it. Now what we have here is the hair straightener. It comes in this disposable bag, and it's sealed from both sides, as you guys can see. So if you just open this up, so what you get here is a user manual, and you should read this when you get a chance. Just have a read through this so you're not putting yourself at any risk. And this is the hair straightener. So it comes in this nice feel bag. I'm not exactly sure what material this is, but this pouch, it does feel very good. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. This was what I was talking about before when I was saying the thick wire, and this to me screams out quality. I know these things might look like small things, but for me this is very important, because this shows that the wire is built to last. And I mean, for hair straighteners you need something like this, because it could sometimes be placed down like this by accident. I mean, you're busy and you just put it down like that, and it can end up burning through the wire. But the thickness of this wire, it'll be some time before it actually gets through to the wire itself and damages it. And this is the hair straightener. Got quite a few buttons here on the side. It's got a power button here, it's got a memory button, and it's got a plus or minus. I'm assuming this is to up the heat and down the heat. It is plastic on the side here, but it's a strong plastic, it's not a cheap plastic. This here rotates all the way around, so you're not having to keep straightening the wire. It does come with the UK 3-pin plug. Now I've plugged this in just to give you a quick demo of how this thing works. I've noticed that there's a screen right here, and if you hold in the power button, there you go, the screen comes on and it starts flashing at 180, and then it starts off going through all the numbers until it gets to 180, and it stops there. So now this is warming up and it's getting to 180 degrees, and I can really feel the heat around the sides here. If I press the minus button, it doesn't go down, but if I hold in the plus button, it starts flashing, and then press up, it goes up in 5s. So that would probably be to make it even more warmer. So there you have it guys, that was the unboxing of the TRESemmé hair straightener. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.